3. Every day I want an extra day.
Welcome to Vlogmas Day 4, guys. I'm being super gentle with this camera because I can't afford to lose more footage. Like a vlog editing last night like made me realize how much of my footage actually got lost. So big up to Chanel, who is my supporter, who ordered something for her daughter's birthday. I had to ship it out to her. She lives in I think it's Calgary, if I'm not mistaken. But big up you for supporting me. I gotta send her and her daughter something, just for being supporters. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Thank you so much. It is Sunday, December the 3rd. We are in the kitchen. I did a lot of duties today, you guys. I did a lot of wife duties today. I woke up at late 8 o'clock. No, I wake up minutes to 8. Yeah, I mean, it just did. I'm gonna come and say.
Yo, them are bad people. Planting chips, right planting.
Why must you cut me off when I'm in the middle of talking? Do you think it's cute?
Sing a song.
Do you think it's cute?
Sing a song, man.
Anyway, so yeah, as I was saying, Sunday, woke up early, said I'm gonna be doing laundry because the laundry room opens at 8 o'clock. So I did my laundry. Went on the road, got some more groceries that we needed, picked up some more stuff that I needed, and yeah, I saw my mom, all of that kind of stuff. So yeah, that's curtain. This was in the cupboard? Oh, because mommy just gave me one, no? I could have sworn. Alright, so y'all, did a little bit of groceries. Shout out to my mom and my mom. Thank you to my mom for sponsoring today's dinner. Yeah, thank you to my mom. She gave me some pasta. She gave me a spinach dip. Alright, so we got some potatoes because people them said they want some potato salad for their side today. I got some onions because we were out. I got some hot chocolates for some Christmas stuff. Some basmati garbage bags because we were out. The rest over there is just mess to be cleaned. And yeah, so that's so far.
Whenever I start cook, so see what gets on. Stone up. See all the tea stuff there.
So that's it for now. I will come back to you guys. I'm about to go make the thumbnail for today's vlog so that I can put it up now that I'm back in the house. So I'll be back soon, guys. But welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. Come say it. Ready? Come now.
Yes.
When I'm talking, you don't wait. So why I have to wait? Yeah, but when I'm doing something, you don't wait. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Vlogmas Day 3. Welcome to one. Wait, 1, 2, 3. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Welcome to.
What?
Welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. No, we're both saying it. We're both saying it. Okay?
That's how
you got it? You sure? 1, 1, 2, 3. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. We gotta do that until 25 days. Yeah.
That's also all about.
Yeah. Welcome to, not go out, intro. I mean, we can figure it out for the outro as well, but yeah. See you guys in a little bit, okay? Bye.
Yeah, meticulously scrutinize the syrup and tea, start cook. So today we basically just make some curry chicken. Vlogmas Day 3 them say. So Sunday. So we clean the same time to have a chicken and the chopping is really not really fine, but fine enough. No curry thing though. Yes, so after that, I take her through the process as we go and cook and things. So yeah. Reason, because I'm saying, a long time I actually raise with the people, man. Pull back a little vibe, you know? Like, throughout the whole year, don't know they up on the grind hard every day. You know, I leave out time for yourself more time. But yeah, wish everybody, you know, blessed season and thing, you know. You know my motto already, heart of love, you know. Start of love, nothing about love, you know. Yeah, so. We'll have to start chop up my chicken and thing. Kinda tough still, so I kinda make it look tall little. Then we'll forward black. Yeah, now. I'm going to do elbow with this one right now. I'm going to potato salad and things, so kind of start with potato and prep. I know the salad will make a second, you know? The cold like that, the more the flavor and thing come out, you know, so we'll start that one too. But yeah, man, give thanks again one more year, you know? And the greatest thing, because gratitude is always the greatest thing of all time, so. First of all, we're just grateful for life. One more year, grateful for health. You see chicken start separating, you see? Easy all the chicken, you don't have to make sure no more activities. Yeah, as I say, you know, gratitude always for life, you know, health, you know. You must know, say, my mind, I wake up somebody never make it to the day, you know. So that I always be grateful for life. First thing, health, you know, somebody lie down in the hospital and get a bad, so I always be grateful, you know. I always wish everybody peace, healing, health, you know, love and all them things, you know, prosperity. Just be a positivity, you know, be a positive wishes and all those things. Yeah, first nice season, you see me? Yeah, so I'm start chop up forward and all that thing. Get off the back, you know, favorite part, this, you know, people, them bone there, you know. First in a curry. Season to the bone, my friend. So you can see that thing, you know. Food ready, so I'm cut up and season and then, you know, bring it through the whole process, you know. Yeah. Vlogmas. I'm going to find a rhyme for it, you know. Vlogmas, you know the vlogcast, no. That's not ready. I think about it naturally, people, but for the time being, big up. Heart of love, start of love. Yeah, people, so we're back again, you know. I don't care, meticulously scrutinize again, so. Chicken and thing, we have a shot out the door. Because we couldn't find the curry. So we have a shot out the door, go look back some curry. And thing, you know, so. First part of the process, so I burn the curry, you know, cooking down it. Some people fry it, you know, you have three different types of curry. You can literally fry it first, or burn some of the oil and throw everything in, make it spring its own water and thing, cover it as well, you know. So, cover him now. And when it build up the water there, strain it off, one little catch color and turn him, you know. Yeah, but I can't roll for oil, so I'm not do the fry style. I know I have a potato, so Booby are going to make the potato salad that I'm saying, me I go boil them and thing, and you know, cut them up already, wash them and everything. Water set a boil. Kind of how you do a potato, any potato you do, always season the water to anything, all for macaroni. Because you know we say season and flavour, you add spice, so add in more Irish them. Make him go and boil. Right in the kitchen and watch.
Babe, don't touch it. Don't, just leave it. Don't touch it once it's on. Okay? Because, baby.
No, but it good and now, just let them know.
Yeah, but when you touch it.
Come and turn the camera.
Okay, I'll touch it. You don't touch the camera. You touch this part. Don't, this part? Sick.
Why I camera? Camera you are showing the real color and we go to curry.
Hold on.
I don't mean you know that kind of real.
Come again. Yeah. Yo, I keep trying to tell him to go back and start, but he don't want to.
No, I'll come bigger and better, you know. I improve it, so I put in all heap of planning and strategies and things and capital. So I'm going to save enough capital for make a different
weekend
way.
people ask, no wings, no wings?
Nah, so when I get them now ask. When I get them ask. I know which week we go blank, get like 2 orders of my weeks them.
Yeah, but 2
1 person order. So my time, none. So you know, I just do it a different way. Promotional wise, everything.
Business, look how long.
And over eating, would I put it
Okay,
back.
but look how long I've been doing all wrapped up. This year I barely had any orders. That don't mean to stop.
Yeah, but you mean for true, you have always a lead, and that them say about business for a whole. You have to just do it, see me, no matter what the results of the time, just go and do it. So you're right, you have the business mindset in that sense.
Vlogmas, but right now I just had to get this off my chest. She was a responsible young woman who always put family first. She was just always there for me.
Alright guys, we are officially back. Yeah, we're officially back. So let me show you guys what I got so far. Hold on, let me switch this lighting. Alright, so let me show you guys so far what I have collected for Christmas this year. And then after that I'm going to go through what I found from previous Christmases and see what I can use also for the theme this year. So if you guys remember what the theme is, raise your hands. Or like the video if you remember what the theme is. All right, so peppermint, well, candy cane lane, peppermint, all these things, right? Not really so much like candy land or gingerbread, like it's not all things sweet, so I'm not including like donuts, cupcakes, other sweets, other like that type of stuff. It's just basically like peppermints and candy canes, red and white and a little bit of green. So with that being said, I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Giant Tiger, because that would have been, did I buy anything today for home decor? No. So that would have been like the most recent purchase that I did. So the first thing that I picked up was this mat, and I just absolutely love that it had all the colors and it was vibrant. They had a candy cane printed one, like with different candy canes on it, but it looked really washed out. So I was like, as much as it's candy cane, it's not as bright and I wasn't seeing anything else. So this was like, yeah. So I'm gonna put this at the front door. So we have that. And then also what I got from Giant Tiger were these dish towels. So I got a red one and then I got this red and white one, and I'm thinking to customize it and to say something, either our initials, like the T for our last name, or some holiday greeting or something. But I definitely think I'm going to customize these and then have these in the kitchen. I got these for our stockings. So this is a stocking holder and it's 2 in a pack, and they're shaped like candy canes, red and white. And I think I got these for like $7. So I seen these on Amazon for about $15. I will put them in my Amazon storefront in case y'all don't have a Giant Tiger near you. Yeah. And then I got this red fleece throw. I'm supposed to be getting a throw from the company that I'm supposed to be working with, but again, I don't know. They did respond to me and send me a tracking number, but it's the same thing. There's no update, there's nothing, so I don't know. So yeah, got that from Giant Tiger yesterday. What else did I get? Oh, today I picked up these stockings, just some basic stockings. I'm gonna add our names to it. If the stockings that I ordered through this company don't come through, then I have these for backups. I bought these at Walmart. They were like $2.98 each. So just to go with, you know, so I'll put these up for now just in case, and if the other ones do come, I'll just return these and call it a day. I also got some wrapping paper. I got this for like gifts, but I have a DIY that I want to do, so I might use it for that. That's also why I got this one as well. So I got that, and then I'm supposed to get one more. Speaking of which, let me see what time the dollar store closes, because I think I need to head back out to the dollar store to go and pick up another wrapping paper. Yeah, so yeah. This I got for a DIY, a DIY, the cellophane wrap. I'm gonna be making some like peppermint candies. Fingers crossed it works out for me. And then yeah, let me show you guys what I got from Dollarama. Oh no, let me show you guys this first. So, went to HomeSense back in like the beginning of November, and they had, you guys, I'm gonna show you guys the pictures. They had so much peppermint candy cane items. Like it was, I was having a field day. I was literally picking up, putting down, picking up, putting down, picking up, putting down. At the end of it, like my cart was gonna be about $200, so I put down everything and I only left with this. But this was a 5-pack of different candy canes, so I don't know if I want to put them on the tree or if I want to put some in the bathroom. You guys know how I change out the flowers to like match whatever theme is going on in the bathroom or whatever season it is, or put them in the center part of where I keep like the remotes and stuff like that in the living room. So I don't know, but I got this. This was like $12.99 for a pack of 5, and I thought this was super cute because I can reduce, reuse, and recycle these like every year. Like winter candy cane's never gonna be acceptable unless I'm not doing red. But yeah, so love that. So that was from HomeSense. That was literally the only thing that I purchased from HomeSense. Tree. Did I get anything from Dollar Tree for this? For Christmas yet? I don't think so. But I got these foam circles from Dollar Tree to do the DIY candy thingy. Yeah, so I got 6 of these, so I'm gonna try to make at least 6 candies. And then yeah, so from Dollar Tree, I mean Dollarama, as you guys would have seen in the last vlog, I got this sign and I thought this was so cute. The fact that it's talking about calories and stuff like that, because you know candy canes are calories, and this was only $1.75, y'all. Love it. It has stripes and everything, so loved that. I also went and got this pillow. I seen it, you know, but it's vacuum sealed, so I want to open it and see like how it explodes. But I think I want to put this in the room. I'm not 100% sure. I'm supposed to be getting some pillows from this company as well, but baby, I don't know. But I definitely want every area of the house to be decorated this year, so got that for that. I picked up some ornaments. I picked up some red and white candy canes. These are just like some acrylic ones, and then I also picked them up in red, white, and green. So I got those. I got these bows to go with this ribbon because there's a DIY that I want to do of the cupboards. So I got that for that. I don't know if it's gonna be too much, but I was trying to tie in all the colors and I didn't see any solid green ones, so we'll try it and we'll see if we like it. But I got that for that. And then, oh, also from HomeSense, sorry y'all, this is all over the place, but baby, also from HomeSense, I picked up this DW candle. It's peppermint bark. I don't know why I always do a sniff test on camera like y'all can smell it, but smell it. Y'all smell the peppermint bark? Yeah, and this was $5.99. Love this brand actually, so big up Darcia for introducing me to that. Back to Dollarama. I picked up all of these green ornaments in different sizes because I don't have green at all. So I picked up some of these. This is all that I picked up so far because I feel like every year I overbuy my ornaments, and then my tree's only 6 feet, so I feel like it doesn't need to have all these ornaments on it. Like literally, it really and truly doesn't. So yeah, got those, and then I'm gonna see if I need any more. If I need any more, then I will grab some more, but I'm trying to not go overboard this year. So yeah, I got those. And then the red ones I had ordered through the company that I'm supposed to be working with. And then I think I have some from previous years. I'm not 100% sure, but based on what I've seen today, I think I have some red stuff and I also have some white stuff, so I might be okay. Picked up these candies. These are basically like the DIY that I'm trying to make, but like with the peppermint, whatever. But yeah, you'll see. So yeah, got these red and green and red and white. And yeah, that's all that I got, I think, from Dollarama. so far from Dollarama. And y'all, I think that's all that I really and truly got so far. Yeah, so that's all that I've purchased so far for this Christmas. Now, I have all this stuff here on the floor that I'm gonna go and try to see if I can tackle through and see what I have from previous years. So let's go, come down here, so come see what we are dealing with. Alright guys, so this is basically what I was able to find. A lot of this stuff is from last year. I thought I would find way more white, but I only have one, two, three, four, five, six white ornaments. But I did find a Merry Christmas sign. I found a countdown, some trees, a reindeer. I also found this one as well, which the snow I can always paint it over. So I found that, and then I found I have a lot of silver stuff, so I don't know, should I put in the silver in there? Comment down below, let me know. But I found this little tree, so I'm gonna see if I can get some mini ornaments and put this somewhere, whether in another room or something. But I'm gonna find a place for it, or even in the kitchen. I'm gonna find a place for it. So yeah. And then I have two of these fringe silver trees. I don't know, I found one bottle brush tree. And then for red, I found this whole half of ornaments here. And then, yeah, nothing. So, some stuff, but yeah. Y'all, I found this box of ornaments that I was supposed to send to Sandy from how many Christmases ago when she only had Amelia. And now Kyle is here. Like, this is when Amelia was probably from Amelia's first Christmas. And yeah, but if y'all want custom ornaments, holler. But yeah, found a thing wreath as well. So I don't know, I can play on to that and add on to that and just make something for Christmas this year or something. I don't know, but yeah, not too bad of a haul, but not that great either. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do now with myself, but I'm gonna figure something out, but I'll come back to you guys. Bye. welcome to Vlogmas day 4. Woo! It's December 4th. It's my bedtime, y'all. It's my bedtime. I literally just got out the shower and I'm getting ready for bed. Yeah, it's that time. As you guys saw, today was just basically a work day. Didn't really have time to chit chat too much. Yeah, I had to finish a lot of stuff and I still have more stuff to do, but I did complete a lot that I wanted to get done. I'm in the middle of editing my Get Ready With Me for Jamaica vlog. So the Jamaica vlog is coming very soon. Hold tight. So that's coming soon, and yeah, so I did some stuff towards that. I was trying to find some music for the vlog or whatever the case may be, so I can go ahead and start working, because I did start working on it last night before I went to bed, just getting all the clips that I needed to get together and stuff like that. So I have pretty much everything, so tomorrow I can come home and do that while working on some other all wrapped up stuff. Speaking of which, before I go to my bed tonight, I need to place an Amazon order for some stuff. And yeah, what else happened today? Nothing really spectacular. It's Monday, so you know, we went back to work. Oh, babe had an eventful day. He ended up in HR. He ended up in HR's office because I'm a look woman at work and get catch, because the woman no like him and go report him and all sorts of something. So yeah, him in a one bag of things at work right now. But that's good for him, because nobody never sent him to go work, go look woman. They send him go work, go make money, and a woman him end up go look. So I that for reach him. But yeah, that's a story for that's a story for another day, and that's not really how the story goes. But I think it's so funny how like two people can have like such a far like opposite experience in one experience, like if that makes any sense, y'all. As I said, I'm tired, so I don't know if I'm making a whole bunch of sense, but yeah, that it's a crazy story. Like I get it, but at the same time I'm just like, it wasn't necessary. But then again, that's me. I can't speak for other people, right? So yeah. But yeah, apart from that, I'm gonna go to bed now. As I said, I'm gonna place my little Amazon order and call it a night. I hope you guys had yourself an amazing Monday and you guys have yourself an amazing rest of the week, even though you will be seeing this at the end of the week. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great start to your next week when you guys see this on Sunday. Y'all, we're 21 days away from Christmas, 21 more sleeps until Christmas. Wow, I cannot believe the year is done. Like, it's so crazy. 2023 really just came and said, deal with it. Take me and deal with me and let's go. Because there was no other option. And I know I look like I'm out of mind right now. It's because my hair is a little bit wet. But yo, okay, so just had a shower, right? Tell me how you, or tell me, okay, tell me, I don't know if your way is the proper way because everybody has a different way, but what is the order that you guys do, like when you guys are taking a shower? For one, like for me, I soap up first, like with bar soap, and then like I will use like, let's say for instance I'm gonna do like a scrub. I'll do my scrub and then I will use my body wash afterwards to wash it off. But then I'm saying, like, what if I want to be the scent of my scrub? Do I do soap, then body wash, and then the scrub? Like, does the scrub have nutrients and moisturizers in it that's gonna leave me moisturized? And then when I went to Florida, Samantha introduced me to this like this body lotion thing that you put on in the shower, and it literally leaves you like moisturized like when you come out, so you don't even really need to do anything like after you come out. It's almost like when I take like bubble baths and I put like my baby oil in the water and then I come out and I'm like super oiled up. It's basically the same thing. So I always save that for last, obviously, because I want that to be the last thing on me. But let me know what's the correct order in regards to like the scrub and stuff like that, right? All right, that's one. Now the second one, when it comes to like your face, right? What is the proper order that you're supposed to use these things? Like for toner, cleanser, obviously moisturizer, you put that on last. But like when you have these little like dew drops and stuff like that, like what's the order? What's the order? Like I have a scrub and I have to use a scrub. I always have to use a scrub no matter what. I have to use the scrub because I have to feel the exfoliants on my face to feel like I'm actually being clean. I need to use a scrub. So the scrub has to be in the regimen. Okay? So I usually, how do I usually do it? I usually use my cleanser, because like cleanser, you want to get clean. Then I use the toner, and then I'll use the scrub to like get everything off. And then I'll go in with my moisturizer. I'll put on my dew drops and any other little like eyeliner, whatever the case may be that I need to put on me. I'll do that. So I don't know if that's correction or what, but y'all let me know in the comments. Help your sister out so that I don't be coming on camera and be doing no foolishness. This is the only reason why I have not come on here and like done no like my nighttime routine or nothing like what. I don't really want to look like I eat out at my big age anymore. I really don't want to be looking like a clown on the internet at my big age. Like in my earlier 20s, it was cute, it was funny, haha, hee hee. Not now, not the age that I'm turning. No, it's not gonna be cute. So help your sister out and let me know. With that being said, I'm going to my bed. Have yourself a good night. I will see you guys tomorrow in day 5. It's already December 5th. Wasn't it just the 1st? It was just the 1st, and now it's already gonna be the 5th. Time. Hi guys, my left one in the car today. All day. No freeze gun. But it's Wednesday and welcome to Vlogmas Day 5. I mean, it's Tuesday. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 5. I don't know what my issue is with mixing up Tuesdays and Wednesdays, but maybe it's Tuesday and it's freezing. Okay, so I'm gonna go ship off Sandy's package, right? Right after work, I'm gonna go do that. I have it in the car with me. Then I need to go pick up some ornaments because y'all, this company, they're just like, please practice patience. I'm like, practice patience, and the package hasn't even left the warehouse yet, and I gave you guys my details like 2-3 weeks ago. I don't understand. I don't know how you guys want me to wait. Like, you guys specifically asked me to get Christmas stuff, and now I'm getting the Christmas stuff, and whatever. So I'm gonna go find my own decorations. Only thing I'm not seeing is white ornaments in stores. Like, just plain white ornaments. Everywhere has like mixed up colors or whatever the case may be. I'm not finding anything with just plain white ornaments. So that's what I'm gonna, and I have to be home by 5. And then my teeth. You know, I had a cavity, not a cavity, but a filling. Well, obviously from a cavity, but I had a cavity that had a filling that fell out. It didn't actually fully fall out. It's still in there, but it's not secured, like it's moving. And I don't know what it was, but this week, baby, from the cold come, me I feel it. So I'm trying to go to the dentist and see what I need to do, because baby, if it's gonna be bothering me, it's coming out of my mouth. I'm soon gonna only have one teeth in my head, because teeth life is too expensive for me, my camera. I'm gonna lose them eventually anyway, so might just let me just start taking them out now. I'll call it a day. That's I just wanted to make you guys know what was transpiring. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I get home. I just had to start the core because it's freaking cold. Okay, HYC made their payments. Yo, one man came in here today, but I see a lot of things have changed since the last time I've been here. I was like, do I know you? He was like, yeah, when I first came here, I did a try look you, and now you're married. So I was like, you haven't been here in 3 years? Because it's been 3 years. He was like, well, I guess not. Or I was not paying attention. I said, maybe you was not paying attention because I had to be engaged before I married. Anyway, all right guys, it's 4:03 on the dot. I'm in my drop top going home. Oh yeah. Ink is low. That sounds like a tomorrow problem and not a today problem. Alright guys, I am in the car is nice and warm. Yeah, I'm gonna go get some gas and then head home and take care of the stuff that I need to take care of. See the package back there? Yeah, so catch you guys on the flip side. Bye. Hi guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 5. It's December 5th? I'm still here saying the 4th. Baby, what? Anyways, I'm home. I have been for the last week trying to make the viral, not the viral, but the Starbucks cheese Danish. I'm doing it tonight. I need something sweet, and I can't really eat anything too tough because, as I said, the side of mouth are killing me. The teeth hurt me. I just hope to God I don't need a root canal because I can't. Truthfully, really and truly, I can't. Anyways, I'm gonna wash up these dishes and I'm gonna come back to y'all when I'm making this thing. We can make it together. Hopefully it turns out great, but I'll be back. All right guys, we are back. Let me find. There's a one guy on TikTok. His just looks so good.
Starbucks with 5 ingredients. All you need to make their cheese danishes. The only good pastry they really had. All right, you're gonna get 1 roll.
Hold on, let me show you guys what it looks
Here's
like.
one less reason to go to Starbucks with 5 ingredients. Here's one less reason to go to Starbucks.
Yeah. So that's what we're trying to achieve. I got my egg, I got my puff pastries, I have my cream cheese. What else was it that I need? Sucre. And we need a little salt. Some vanilla. So first thing, make we do this. Bring y'all a little closer. Yeah, come in, no, come in. Hi, babe. Come here 1 second. Ooh. Y'all, I never worked with puff pastry in my life, so pray to God you can come. Look how it comes. I get 2, so I can make 2. Yeah, but I have to put it back in the freezer, although it said I'm not supposed to put it back, but whatever, who cares? Come. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 5! But baby, yeah, you have to come say hi, guys. Say something. They have to see you every day too. No, that was different. That's the intro. That's the intro. That's the intro. What do you mean?
Big up. No. I'm so old, please. Black word.
Yeah.
Blessings, you know?
Oh my God, baby, that's just it.
That pizza from the for ages. Peanut butter. I have to put on food for days. Show the people them say I put on food for days. No, should I eat food, you know? Just want to see the food.
Alright, y'all, I'm using my pizza pan as the bacon dish. I got some parchment paper. How am I supposed to bake this thing? In the oven now, 400 degrees, 15 minutes or until golden brown. Let me show my hugs. Y'all, my kitchen smells so freaking good. I don't know if I told you guys, but I've been really into baking this year. But it's done. Let's see what we're looking like. Yo, these look so good. Tell me these are not from freaking Starbucks. Oh, it even has the little like crack in the center. Oh my god, I did that. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna make these cool a little bit, and then we're gonna taste test them and tell you guys what they taste like. If I came close or if I'm missing anything, I'm gonna let y'all know. But so freaking excited. These are beautiful. Wow, and they're oh Jesus. Okay. All right, guys, just got out the shower. Don't mind me put on the same shit. I'm a 90, okay? I'm gonna give babe one to try.
No, give a banana one over by
Seriously?
This for the crunch.
Yeah, it's more flaky.
Tell me what that there.
Yeah, he's such a liar. He's gonna say 10 out of 10 every time my hand touch something. Anyways, y'all, that is it for Tuesday. I will see you guys tomorrow in day 6. Hold on, we are on elf surveillance. We have, hold on, where's the 0? One of them did that show, you know.
No, we buy for sure. Buy the Starbucks.
Choo-choo?
Who made all this by that?
Choo-choo? Hold on, the people, hold on. There we go, 20 more sleeps until Christmas. See you guys in day 5. I mean 6. What?
Potato?
No, it's rice.
You like mashed potato, you know? You like rice potato.
Rice potato? What's rice potatoes?
I don't know. No, actually I said no. So that's rice potatoes. That's it, hang it on.
Try something new tonight. That's nice. So guys, dinner for today, shepherd's pie. I should have had a nice little salad or something for go with this, but I don't. Anyways, I'm gonna cut a piece for the people then because I'm a boss and I'm hungry. Yo, taste test. Be right back. It's hot.
Look different. You look alone.
The fucking wearing no rat wrong here, brother. Yeah, I want serving to the world.
It's almost like a lasagna, but mashed potato form. Yeah, shepherd's pie.
What, man?
Things go for Jojo? Alright. Guys, I'm trying to get him to like try different things, but Joel has like, I don't know what it is about my ground beef, but he tries to ask for it at least like once a week. So once a week I have to try to make something ground beef. You know what I'm saying? And my pot, like my spaghetti is top tier. I'm not even gonna lie. Like my spaghetti is top tier. It's not just mincemeat and spaghetti. Like it's literally a whole meal in one. So
literally bake after.
Yeah.
What?
Mix up all the cheese, all the flavors, everything. Yeah, he's like, why does it gotta bake? It's already cooked. Why does it gotta bake? I'm hungry. So guys. Oh. Wait. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 6. Yeah. I like that one there. Yeah, but it feel that one there. Yeah, so welcome to Vlogmas Day 6, y'all. As you would have seen, I was in the kitchen making some food. Yeah. This is my last day in the kitchen for the week. I was in here back to back. This is the last day for me. And yeah, but I got some work to do, so I'm gonna head into my room. I'm gonna do some work. I don't know if I'm gonna be back, but it's Wednesday, December the 6th. Yes, and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 6. Hope you guys enjoyed. How are you guys liking these weekly vlogs so far? Comment down below, let me know. It's crazy because like things will happen and I won't really remember what happened until I edit back and I'm just like, ooh, wow, that's how my week really went. Like, wow, oh my gosh, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. But yeah, see you guys, bye. Welcome to Welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. It's 10:29. No, I lied. It's 10:36. 10:36. And this is all you guys are getting for today. I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow. I'm tired. Yeah. Bye. Morning, y'all. Well, afternoon is 12:40. I'm at Von Mills. I'm about to do some Christmas shopping. So let's see what we can. Let's see what damage we can do. I need to go to actually a I need to go to a Bed Bath & Beyond actually. I have a gift card for my bridal shower that I have not used. My bridal shower was in 2020. Yeah. So I need to go there, pick up some stuff for the house. And yeah, my package came from that company that I told you guys I was waiting for. So when I go home, I will do an unboxing with you guys. And then I need to decorate. I still need to find white ornaments. Can't find any. I still need to find some white ornaments. And I think I'm good on the red and the greens. So yeah, let's see. Hey guys, I am home and welcome to Vlogmas Day 9. Alright, so this is my huge Christmas package, but you guys are gonna have to watch the next video to see exactly what I got for decorating purposes. Let me just give you guys a quick little haul of the things that I have added. This is the last few days or so. So obviously for Christmas, I found these white ornaments at Dollar Tree. And then I found these also at Dollar Tree. So I got some more. This is, oh, I thought this was red and, oh yeah, I guess it's red and white. And some greens and some reds. So I got that. And then at the mall today, I told you guys that I was making the little baskets night before. I don't know if I told you exactly, but it's a Christmas Eve basket, like night before Christmas basket that I wanted to do for all the little kids, because I feel like when I was growing up, and it's crazy because I mentioned it to my cousin today and she was like, oh my god, I didn't even remember anything about that. But there was this organization that used to give, I guess, I don't know if it was just low income or kids, like families, like kids in low income families, like we used to get this Christmas box and it used to be filled with like hats, mittens, scarves, activities, candy, everything that you can possibly think of that you would want like as a kid, and it was for different age ranges and stuff like that. And I literally looked forward to that box up until I think they stopped giving it to you when you turn 13 if I'm not mistaken. So I think the last year that I got it was at the age of 12. And I tell you guys, I kid you not, like every Christmas that was probably the most like looked for gift that I looked forward to. So I kind of try to, I don't like giving out clothes as gifts. Like I feel like clothes is something that you can get at any time throughout the year. I try to give out like meaningful gifts, like things that kids can have, like keepsakes, or things that kids can look forward to. So like how I do family fun day, like I know like every year the kids are gonna look forward to that, even the family is gonna look forward to that. But like going forward, like every year, like I started with the kid ornaments last year. I made these for like the little kids in my life, and like it would have their details on the back and then like their pictures. So like over the years, like on their Christmas trees, they can see how they changed and like what they looked at what year during, at what they looked at what age during that Christmas year, or whatever the case may be. So the night before Christmas boxes I think are going to be a great hit, and I'm going to aim to do them every single year so that all of the kids can look forward to that every year. I know like Cousin Zoe or Auntie Zoe is going to be giving me my night before Christmas box, and I'm excited to see the activities and the treats and custom stuff that I'm going to get in that box. You know what I'm saying? So I'm excited for that. So when I was at the mall today, I was walking past Children's Place and I noticed the Christmas stuff that they had in their in their window, and a lot of the stuff were on sale. So these shirts were $5.99. So I got one for all of the kids, and I'm going to either customize it like with their name here on the front, or I'm just gonna put their name on the back. And I loved that they had, like, this one especially was like unisex, so for boys and for girls. So depending on the households or whatever the case may be, they can get different shirts or the same style or whatever I decide to choose. But for now, the first household I went with the same style, so I'm excited for that. So I got these shirts for the kiddies, and as I said, those were $5.99. So I picked up a few of those. Also at the mall, I'm not gonna show everything that I got in here, but Bath and Body Works was having all of their body care was like call it $5 today. So I picked up a few things for somebody on my Christmas list because her chest is clearly too high for me. But I picked up this spray for myself. What is this? Golden berry mistletoe. This smelled pretty good, so I picked up one for myself. And then, well, I guess I can show you what I got, but yeah, they won't know who it's for yet. But I picked up this. I asked them for the person, like the age range or whatever, I asked them what was a good scent, and everybody recommended this, and they said like a lot of the ladies in the store really like this scent, so I picked up that. Oh shoot, I forgot, I need to go pick up the shower gel. I just got the lotion and the spray for now. Yeah, so that I got at the mall, and then I went to my home store to see what I could get in terms of like shower curtains, bath mats, bedding, all of that kind of stuff. I didn't really see anything for bedding, so I just left that alone. But I did pick up this shower curtain bath mat set. This was 40 bucks. So it's an 18 piece. It comes with 2-piece bath mats and a shower curtain, the hooks, as well as a 3-piece towel set. So I got all of that for 40 bucks, which made a lot of sense rather than picking up everything piece. And everything will match. So I got that to stay in theme. And then I seen this in the dollar store, this kitchen pot lid rack. It's funny because I picked up the pot rack and I bought 2 and I used one for the lids, but it was awkward, and I understood why, because it's not made for that. So I'm happy that I found this, so I can go ahead and add this and then fully organize my pots drawer. And then also I seen these for like the last few months or so, but I just have been like, I'll wait, and then all of the dollar stores that I went to don't have them anymore. So I picked up a few, but they have the bowl cutlery. Baby! Oh baby! Now that I'm gonna put this up on YouTube, I'm gonna have to run to Dollarama, pick up the rest before you do. But if you guys are in Toronto or Canada, baby, and you have a dollar store, please to go and run to your local Dollarama. Dollarama, you should sponsor me. But run to your local Dollarama and pick up your gold cutlery, guys. Like, these are heavy duty. Okay, $2.25 per one. Yeah, but so beautiful. Like, if you know, you know. Okay, if you freaking know, you know. So yeah, got those. And yeah, I think that's oh no, hold on. All right, so on the dollar store trend now, at Dollar Tree, I picked up some mini candy canes that I need for a project. And then I went the other day and I seen the little elves on the shelf, and I did not see any that looked like me. But I went today, and guess what? And there's a girl, she has puffs. And the boy! So I got one for all the little kids so I can put them in their night before Christmas baskets. And I don't know, I'm gonna figure out some way, somehow to like customize it. Either put their initial on it, or maybe on the hat I'll put their names or something. But something so that they know each one is there. So I'm gonna make a cute little box so that they can have these. And it's not the ones that everybody, you know, uses, because it is flimsy. It is a plush. It's more like a toy. But I just thought it was so cute that Dollar Tree is now making things for colored people. Like, I love the inclusivity. Love it, love it, love it, love it. So got that. Happy with all my purchases. And yeah, I really want to start decorating, you guys, and I don't know what exactly I'm going to start to do tonight. If I can do anything tonight, if not, I'm just going to wake up extremely early tomorrow and just decorate, because I'm doing laundry now just so that I have all day tomorrow. Speaking of which, how much laundry do I have for Monday? Yeah, like I just want to kind of be inside tomorrow and just do what I need to do. So I'm trying to utilize my Saturdays more so that my Sundays can literally just be like rest days. Like, yeah, and I have this video to go and edit. So I think I'm going to, because I need the stuff in this, so I have to do the video, and it has to be a separate video for the company. I'm so happy that I got my stuff though. So I'm gonna see what I can do, but I'm gonna record this so that I can at least have my stuff out and all of that kind of stuff, and then see how I feel, if I want to do anything tonight. If not, I will see you guys tomorrow for the stuff. But if this is the end of the vlog, I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas week 2. If it's not the end of the vlog, I will be back, obviously. But yeah, if it is, thank you guys so much for stopping by. I hope you guys are enjoying, even though this is only the second one, but I hope you guys enjoyed the first one, and I hope you guys enjoyed this week as well. Do I need y'all to comment anything? If I did need y'all to comment anything, I hope y'all commented it. If not, I will see you guys back here next week Sunday. We're getting closer to Christmas, y'all. It's kind of scary. I hope you guys have started your Christmas shopping. Comment down below. Let me know if you guys have started your Christmas shopping, if you guys are participating in Christmas this year. Because crazy, I talked to 2 of my cousins today, and both of them said that they are not participating. One wants to run away. And then the other one is just like, nah, I'm not for it. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna do what I need to do, get my life together, and yeah, I'll see you guys back if I do. If not, I will see you guys here next week. Hey guys, ready? 1, 2.
Vlogmas.
Welcome to Vlogmas Day 5.
What 5?
Yeah, come here. Come down now.
Why if you don't fix the camera now?
But then I'm gonna have to fix it back, and you know how this thing goes. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 5!
Is that a 5?
You didn't say it! So you're supposed to say it too. Alright guys, ready? 1, 2, 3. Welcome to Vlogmas.
I'm gonna crap out over this.
I'm gonna put it in as bloopers. Okay, ready? What are you gonna say? Alright. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. Which day is it again?
6.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Welcome to Vlogmas. Why?
Welcome to Vlogmas.
Yes, not welcome back. It's not back to day 6. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Welcome
to Vlogmas.
Where you get well forward? Welcome.
No, you want to say forward. Someone say welcome to Vlogmas Day 6.
Yes.
That's well forward.
No.
You can't tell me everything.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 6. Yeah, that's the best we're gonna get.
No, dito. I don't feel I want to do it.
1, 2, 3.